Continuous search and operations being conducted in Moreh town and adjoining areas, a combined team of security personnel have apprehended 2 cadres of KNA, including 1 lance corporal who are under suspension of operation. According to police reports, a combined team of Special CDO, Moreh CDO, Thobal CDO, Kakching CDO, 5th IRB, 5th AR, 181 BSF, 156 BSF and 192 BSF launched search and combing operation at around 1 p.m. yesterday of JH Vazang village, Howlem Kopi village, ST Maulan 5 village and Yangko Bokpi village. During the search and combing operation, which concluded at around 3 p.m., security personnel intercepted 2 suspected persons, and upon interrogation, it came to light that they belonged to Kuki militant outfit KNA. The arrested KNA cadres have been identified as Saikolun Vaifei, 35 years, son of Thangpao Vaifei from Jeon Vang Tuinom Part 4, and Lufo Otminlan Hangmi, 19 years, son of Lengam Lufo Hangmi from Yangkopokpi village. 1 TBS Jupiter bearing number registration number along with 1 mobile handset with Myanmar SIM card and other incriminating documents were also seized from the 2 arrested persons.